Alright, guys. Nah, that's okay. Yeah. Alright, guys, so we're out here at Ponce Inlet. We're got some sand fleas, got some live shrimp. See, oh, there's a knife in here. Okay. I probably left it in from before. This is way more than a dozen shrimp. Bro, when I asked for 2 dozen, we didn't get this much.
I think, bro.
That's crazy. Alright, guys, so this is how I like to hook my shrimp. I like to hook it right here beneath the tail, just like that. We got a little fish finder rig, 1.5 ounce weight. And yeah, we're gonna toss it out there. And hopefully get out some big ones today. See what happens, guys. Well, that's a funny question.
Oh, okay.
Alright, guys, on this one, we have a dropper loop rig. And we're gonna hook up 2 sand fleas. Well, one on each hook. Oh. Got one. First fish, Jims. First fish, guys. Doesn't feel too big, but it is a fish, so we'll see what it is. Oh, wow, it's a big whiting. That was on the shrimp. Nah, I'm gonna throw it back. I'll keep my word. Said I was gonna throw it back, so I'm gonna throw it back. Well, guys, first whiting. This was on the shrimp. It's definitely a nice eating size one. Let's see if let's use the pliers real quick and get him unhooked. Alright, let's throw him back. Beautiful little whiting there. Nice size one. There he goes. Oh, that's a bite. Well, I don't want to lose whatever it is. Oh my gosh, Jims. The net, Jims, the net. The net. It's a pompano, it's a pompano. Just hand it to me. I got it. I'll get down there.
It's a pompano?
Yeah.
The one that you wanted?
Yes. No, be careful. I got it. It's fine. No! Fuck! Damn it. It's okay. Damn. You should have came down here. I got these shoes. I could have done it. Maybe I should have just flipped it up.
I would have came and swooped it up quicker.
Maybe I should have just swinged it up. I was afraid of it coming off that way. Yeah. Damn. That would have been my second ever keeper pompano too.
Big?
Yeah, it was definitely keeper size. Oh shit, I'm about to get hit. Woo! Woo!
Yo! There's no way.
Oh shit.
There, yeah, no, I'm coming. Hold the rock. Hold the rock.
Woo. Oh my gosh. Shit's It's still biting. I think it's something real small.
Pufferfish, catfish.
No, don't say that. Oh, I got it. What is this? Oh no. What is this? It's something big.
Down there early.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Oh, what is that, a stingray? Might be a stingray actually.
Head big.
No, I think it's a stingray. Ah, it's in my other line. I don't know, but it's in my other line. I think it's a stingray. It's right by the rocks. What the heck? It is a stingray. Yeah, it's a stingray. It's just fighting so hard. What'd you say? Finally got it, guys. Don't know what, but I got one of these fish. I think it's a sheep's head. It's a very tiny sheep's head. Nowhere near a keeper size, but still pretty fun to catch. Little guy. Let's unhook him and get him back in there. I think there's been a bunch of these little guys biting.